Kusama, launched in 2019 by the Web3 Foundation, stands as a trailblazing Canary network, allowing developers a risk-heavy environment for blockchain applications before deploying on Polkadot. It provides a real-world testbed with minimal barriers, enabling projects to innovate and stress test on an independent, robust platform. This foresight in designing Kusama opens doors for unmatched experimentation, fostering creativity while ensuring that tested advancements seamlessly transition to more stable environments. With its own native token, KSM, Kusama ensures community governance and participation, emphasizing a more dynamic and experimental blockchain ecosystem. Unique from traditional methods, this Canary network stands as a critical catalyst for Polkadot's growth and the broader blockchain development landscape.